Hello and welcome to another quick sneak peek with me, Roberto from Hart in Abbots, Langley. And today I have the privilege of introducing to you number 1 Nightingale Close. First time it's been on the market since brand new. Beautiful cul-de-sac position of only 7 houses. Let's go inside and have a look. So welcome back. I'm now in the lounge at Nightingale Close. You have double doors taking you into a separate dining room. There's also a study. There's a good sized kitchen here as well. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms with an ensuite shower room to the main bedroom, family bathroom. Outside, the property enjoys a really lovely, secluded, mature and well presented southwest facing garden and has the benefit of a detached double garage with ample parking in front of that too. Beautiful cul-de-sac of only 7 houses. First time it's been available since brand new. To have a bit more of a look around and we'll catch up outside. And there you are, that's Nightingale Close. Number 1, on the market for the first time since brand new and nestled in this beautiful cul-de-sac of just 7 detached houses adjoining farmland and Leavesden Park. So if you'd like to see more, get in contact with myself, Roberto, a Hart in Abbots Langley, or any one of my team. Be happy to arrange a personal viewing for you. Telephone number is 01923 269 444. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.